So in this video, you'll learn how to install a chess clock timer on your Samsung Galaxy A26, A36, and A56. So the first step is to choose where you're installing it from, whether it's the Galaxy Store or the Google Play Store, and then tap on the app to launch it. From here, use the search function and simply type in the words chess clock timer, and then search. You should see different timers that are available for you to choose from. So all you need to do is simply go through the list of results and select the timer that you would prefer to use. Once you've selected it, simply tap on install and wait for the app to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been installed, you can tap on play to launch it, or you can navigate back to the home screen or apps drawer, look for the app icon from there, and then once you found it, tap on it to launch it. And so now you can start using the chess clock timer on your Galaxy A25, A26, and A56. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.